Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I don't have any makeup on right now, except I have my eyebrows microbladed. But okay, let's start. Oh, so the reason I don't do makeup tutorials is because I just don't consider myself, you know, like a makeup guru and stuff like that. Like, I'm not good at it. I'm just basic. I'm not good with hair or makeup. It's just anything goes, whatever, like however it comes out, it comes out. That's the kind of person I am. So I'm just sort of dabbing whatever. This is an NYX stick. This is like my lighter days. This is winter time in LA, although it's still sunny outside. Dab, dab, dab. Forehead I usually make a little bit darker because that's my complexion. I am mixed tone. I am half Arab, half Polish, so you know, it is what it is. I drink my glass of water a day. I haven't done it today. So my face is poofier than average. But anyway, I figured I'd make one because I've never done it, you know. And excuse the mess in the back. I am cleaning out my closets today. Okay, dab, 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 that's all. Okay, so I usually do it underneath and above my eyes because my skin is so mixed. Like, I've never liked it. I'm always darker here and under my eyes. If you girls or guys know any remedies for that, do let me know because I ain't feeling it. I gotta sharpen this. Oh my god, my place is a mess. So sharpen this. I'm gonna put everything in the link on my Amazon list. This is LA Girl. You can get like 17 of them for like 10 bucks. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Okay. I do feel like I do need a little bit more coverage. I also need to cover my face from the sun because I've gotten a lot of sun damage. A lot. When I first moved here, I kind of took it for granted. I'm like, I'm brown. I don't need any sunscreen. But yes, I do. I actually really, really do. Because I started getting wrinkles on my forehead. And I'm like, that's crazy. I started getting like premature wrinkles on my forehead. I'm like, nah, the sun is no joke. Now, as you can see, I am doing it very lightly. Like, I'm just like dabbing it, you know, because I don't want it to look harsh. If I do want it to look harsh, I use Wet n Wild. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. And then Physicians Formula brightening complex. It's also vegan and cruelty free, although I gotta be honest, not my favorite. It kind of left like lumpy, or what's it called, like patchy. Yeah, that's the word. Okay, dab, dab, dab. A little bit on my forehead, but not a lot, because I'm gonna use a darker one if I can find it. No, that one's too dark. Usually in the summer I get really, really dark, although you can be dark, you can be dark in LA like all year round if you're out in the sun all the time. Okay, this is not looking good at all. You know, I'll just use my hands a little bit. So I'm not feeling this. I always get a little sweat mustache because I buffed the hair away. It's my Arab genetics, unfortunately. Bitches be hairy. Okay, okay, okay. A little bit of maybe a little bit of eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use a light one. I'm not gonna use a dark. Oh shit, the camera's on it. I'm me think about this. Okay, let's just use this one. Oh my god, it's so messy right now. It's a good thing you guys can't see it, because shit's embarrassing. Okay. So, I don't know whatever this is. It's like a no-name. I found it on Amazon, because it's vegan. And not the best, so I'm not going to link it. But, whatever, right now. Okay, just on my eyelid so that I don't look tired. But I'm no Desi Perkins or Kylie Jenner, so I'm not, although I think she has people who do it for them, for her, for the whole squad, I'm pretty sure. So we gotta do it ourselves. We gotta learn how to do it ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Ew. I'm super pale right now. So, what I'm gonna do is, I don't know why I'm so congested. I wonder if it's the weather. Okay. This is another, if I can get to it, because it's so messy right now. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning today, so hair all over it. This is also Physicians Formula. You can also get it on Amazon. I'll put the link on there. Ah, fuck. Shit. Okay, so. Okay, how do you open this? God damn it. Oh. Oh, you click. You just click on it. This is what it looks like. Multicolored bronzer. Oh my god. Oh, there's a little thing here. There's a little, let's try it with this. I'm gonna try it with this. I'm not sure how to. No, I'll just use my brush, my MAC brush, and I usually just twirl. Whoa, that's a lot of. That's very powdery. Holy shit! I'm not even. All right, let's give this a shot. Ooh, that's harsh. Ooh, that's very harsh. I don't need that much of it. So I usually put it on my forehead up here, and then I link. Damn. And then I link it or connect it. I don't know makeup terms. I'm sorry, ladies. If you guys got some of the powder in my mouth. If any of you ladies want to come by and have a wine party and do like a makeup party, that would be fun. That'd be a lot of fun, actually. Oh my god, that'd be so much fun. No, it's way too much. This is way too much pigment. I mean, not pigment. It's like it comes off too easily. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. But I have better ones. This one's affordable. I know I'm not doing this right, like 100%. I know that. But I wanted to look. I'm going to the beach right now. So I'm wearing my bikini. So I don't want a whole, I kind of just want it to look like, oh, I've been in the sun, you know. I know not a lot of people do this, but I usually put it out, I like connect it under my eyes because my under eyes are dark. I have like dark circles. So what I usually do is like, you know, and then whatever the term is, you guys know what I'm talking about. Now, since I've gotten my eyebrows microbladed, I don't know if I should put any powder on it, but I usually just fill out the sides. You can see me in the back. What if my ass cheeks were out the whole time? It'd be so stupid. pretty sure the men wouldn't mind that. Okay, that's too much. I'm doing too much right now. That's way too much. I gotta chill. Should we do a little bit of eyeliner? Maybe like a little bit on the side. Look at this face. Oh no, oh no. Oh, god damn it. Okay. This is not my best look ever, but meh, you know, kind of works. Okay, so last thing, probably mascara, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it in this mess. I need someone to come here who knows how to organize and help me with my closet and my everything. And I'll buy like additional things to sort everything out, and we can make a video about it, because I am so bad at organizing. Okay, I'm not bad at organizing, but I feel like I just lose my cool and shove everything in one place, and then it just accumulates over the days, and I just keep doing that because I get lazy. So I'm the same way with my hair. Like, it needs to just be kind of beachy and wavy, because I'm not gonna do anything with it. Knowing me, I just feel like it's tedious, and if it looks good natural, I'm not gonna fuck with it. So, oh, here it is. This is also a vegan mascara. I got it as a tester or a sampler. It's Tarte. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Tarte. It's a weird name for mascara. I really like it. Initially I bought one that I thought was vegan, but it wasn't, and she's like, oh, you should just try this one, I'll give you a sampler. I'm like, okay, hell yeah, girl. Because I don't remember why she was so nice to me, but I think we just like bonded. Sometimes you just click with people, like, you know, you can't even explain it. It's like effortless sometimes. And other times you just like stay quiet because there's no chemistry. Hey, this is fun. Okay, a little bit underneath. What video should I do next? So usually this is like my last step because of my scars. I just kind of I cover them a little bit, like a little bit here, a little bit here. Okay. I've done better, not gonna lie. This one's my favorite color because it's kind of like neutral. It's mauve, and it's by LA Girl, and it's also vegan and cruelty free, and it's super cheap because I'm the bargain queen. You don't have to spend a fortune on makeup, you know. I mean, it's okay if you do, but like, the cheapness in me won't allow that. How do the makeup ladies do it? Cringe as fuck. You know what? I think I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on the side. I don't think it's necessary, but here it is. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the side because there's always a bald spot right here. I mean, I like how she does it, my brow lady, but there's always like a little patch here. I don't get it. Okay, I probably shouldn't put any. Okay, well, this is my final look. I'll just go to the light so that you can see. This is not my best that I've ever made, but it's kind of like natural, sort of, so why not? And also, I put on way less makeup sometimes. I just do the blush, and that's about it. Hey! Hey! Shush it.